L-shaped living and dining area. So you can check out the kitchen area with the platforms, entrance for your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Adarsh Vulcan Park, which is located in Chudasindra, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. And about the land parcel is this land parcel of 51.5 acres of land parcel where the marketing office is built on and where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of 3D model. So this is total 51.5 acres of land parcel. And here, let's focus upon the phase 2, which consists of 2 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, having exclusive 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK amenities plus the lake-facing apartments. Now about the amenities part, so this project provides you 80 plus ultra-luxurious amenities like as you can check out, this is the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like saloon, resto, spa, bar, and even many more. Additionally, you can check out the outer amenities like a swimming pool, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area, and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Chudasindra, Sarjapur, Bangalore. And now let me tell you that basically this is the internal road for the phase 2 and the project. Now about the further connectivity of the project, let me first tell you that this project is prime tri-junction to 3 main parts of Bangalore. Easily connection from Sarjapur main road, ORR and the electronic city as well. Coming to the further connectivity of the project. So Gattahalli road is 2 kilometers away from the project. Foodmax Hypermart is 2.6 kilometers away. And Hosa Metro is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. And now one thing that we should not miss is the lake view. So this is the Gattahalli lake for which you'll be getting the lake view apartment for the towers. So now let's have a look at your 2.5 BHK of 1392 square feet super built up area. This they have added up over here as a personal lobby area. You can add your shoe rack over here. And now this is the main entrance. And from more main entrance, we'll be entering towards your spacious L-shaped living and dining area. So this is the part of the living area where you can set up your sofa set, your TV unit. And with the living area, they have given you the beautiful balcony with a beautiful view. So this is the balcony with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now about the kitchen and dining area. So this side over here you can set your dining table. And with the easy access, here is the kitchen area. So you can check out the kitchen area with the platforms, the sink and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And here comes the utility area with anti-skid tiles. Now moving towards the bedroom space. So before moving, let me show you the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move towards your bedroom number 1. So just beside this bedroom is your bedroom number 1 and this is the entrance. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful spacious room with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the plus point, the common washroom. You can access it from this room as well. So this is the access from the room. Now let's move further and check out your 0.5 room. So this is that 0.5 room. You can check out the spacious room with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room. Now about the master bedroom, but before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey is here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample and actual flight videos. with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on Housey.com. And now walking through your passage area, this is the entrance for your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring. Here is the window and the spacious room. So this side you can add up your bed in front of the TV unit. And the one more plus point, that is the walk-in wardrobe. So here is the walk-in wardrobe. Even for a cross ventilation, they have added up a window and the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting and the shower glass partition as well. So as you all know, we are here at Adarsh Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.